Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how to add the different effects on your Instagram story. So first of all you have to just open your Instagram app. So once you open it, you have to just click on the plus icon at the bottom middle, and here you have to just click on the story option, and now you can see a lot of the effects at the bottom of this page. You can see a lot of the different options about the effects that can be added to your story. So here you have to just slide left and you can find a lot of the different options about the effects that you can be added to your story. So you have to just select the desired one that you want to add it to your story, like I am selecting this one. So once you have selected, you have to just tap a picture. Note one thing, that in some cases these options are not be available when your account is professional one. Then you have to just switch your account to the non-professional account and it will be added to your Instagram, and you can really enjoy the effects in your Instagram story. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.